Review of Crunch and Crave crackers, spicy queso flavored. For those of you who don't understand Spanish, queso means cheese. So it's spicy cheese. If you'd like to see the information about it, go ahead and pause this. Alright. I've never seen this before. But I got a chance to try it for free, so I thought, okay, I'll try it for free. That's what they look like. Little wavy cut ones. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put you on my little thing there. Hopefully it won't flip-flop around. They're light and crisp. The predominant flavor is a combination of the natural flavor of the chips, which is pleasant, probably due to a combination of sugar and salt, as well as the spices that they added for the spicy queso flavoring. I think it tastes pretty nice, but I didn't get a chance to read the ingredients to see. But there is milk and wheat in here. So if you're lactose intolerant, like I am, I just took a lactase pill. And but otherwise these are enjoyable. Not as spicy as I would like, but then again, I'm not your typical American. I like things to be what most Americans would call hot or very hot. I'd love to do that that hot wings challenge with that guy who invites celebrities on his show and has them start with the weakest one all the way up to the ghost pepper one. I don't know if I'd make it all the way to the ghost pepper one, but I'm sure willing to give it a try someday. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.